Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, Chilling with Des. Join me today in my kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how I make cream cheese icing. Here I'm going in with half a cup of butter, softened butter, room temperature. Half a cup of cream cheese. Whisk this until it's nice and fluffy. I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. Continue to mix on high speed. Here you can see that the butter and cream cheese is nice and mixed, nice and fluffy. And now I'm gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm gonna mix until everything is combined. Now I'm gonna stop my mixer. I'm gonna add 4 cups of icing sugar. And put my mixer back on very low speed. Now that the icing sugar is all mixed in with the butter and cream cheese, I'm going to turn on my mixer to high speed. I'm going to stop in my mixer and scraping down the side of the bowl. Continue to mix. I stopped my mixer, and there you can see that my cream cheese frosting is coming along nicely. I think I'm gonna add half a cup more of ice and sugar because it's a little bit too soft. If you find that you're mixing your frosting and it's not the consistency that you like, sometimes people like it softer, sometimes they like it a little bit stiff. It depends on what you're using it for. If you're applying it on cakes, then I think that you will want it to be like this. But if you're applying it on cupcakes, you need it a little stiffer than this. So I'm gonna add half a cup more of ice and sugar. Here I'm adding half a cup of ice and sugar because I wanted this to be a little bit stiffer. It's a bit too soft. So here we go, machine back on. Guys, the icing mixture is done. You know when it's ready, when it has that soft peak. See like that? You can apply this to cakes, cupcakes. You can fill a cake with it. Look at this. Silky and smooth. Give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Look at that. Hey guys, I hope you enjoy making this cream cheese frosting with me. I hope you had fun, because I did. Please come back to see what I will be making next, because I will be using this frosting to ice and decorate a birthday cake for my son. So thank you once again for joining me in my kitchen, spending this little bit time with me. Until next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.